Help support the companies that support our community. I used the Jacobs chuck to drill out the center hole, and that way I could line up the rest of the holes. The drill bit is 5/64, and then after I got all the holes drilled out, I went ahead and just sanded it with 600 and a little bit more oil to get that pencil line off. Well, there they are, salt and pepper shakers. 25 years of wood turning. This is my first set of salt and pepper shakers. I just was kind of looking around for a project idea, ran across some salt and pepper shakers. I go, I've never turned that. So I made them in the style of the actual grinder ones, but left the grinder part out. The corks I just picked up at Hobby Lobby. You could find these probably anywhere. So after I drilled with a Forstner bit, that's why I used that #1 hollower to taper that out so the corks would fit in there nice and tight, and I recessed that. That's why I made that larger ring around the bottom, is so that they would sit nice and flat, and then you could reach your hands in there and get the corks out just like that. As far as the Forstner bit size, I don't think it really matters. You don't need to put that much salt and pepper into it. Depending on your shape on the outside, probably do one even smaller to do a set, but super fun. They're walnut and maple. They're 2 1/4 inches diameter and 5 1/4 inches tall. But fun project, and they would make great Christmas gifts, and they don't take very long to make. All right, fun one. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, everybody's gone, so it's just relax, nice and quiet. All right, got some exciting news, guys. Most of you know probably by now that we've been helping Ruth Niles out for a while with doing her website and social media stuff. I think it was more of a test than anything else, but she asked us if we would like to buy her business. So Robin and I are now the proud owners of Niles Bottle Stoppers. We are super excited. It just right off the bat, in case you missed it, she does a newsletter. She announced it last week on the newsletter, but Ruth isn't going anywhere. There's nothing wrong. She's still going to be a part of all of it. She still answers emails and phone calls and ship stuff, so she's not going anywhere. Just Robin and I are taking care of some of the background stuff, and we're starting to ship on the West Coast. So we are super excited. I've used Ruth's products for years and love them. If you're a customer of Ruth, you already know the quality cannot be beat. So our goal is we are learning from her as far as just the backside of the business, customer service, stuff like that, and we're just super excited. And just nothing is going to change. It's all still made, and all the stoppers are still made in Missouri. We're not changing anything. We're not changing the name. It's all good, all still the same. We're just super excited to work with her. What we've it's more like a master class for us, and she's just been teaching us so much about it. If you haven't yet, Rebecca DeGroot and her do the newsletter. So if you haven't, go to her website and sign up for that. She has sales all the time. Rebecca does featured artists every couple times a month. So neat stuff in there, and she has sales that go on as well. So go sign up for her newsletter. It's just a lot of great information. We introduced a new style of stopper just last week, so we're super excited about that. Jake Thompson from Northside Custom Crafts is doing resin blanks for us, so we've been selling those on the website as well. Just super excited about it. It was kind of a big shock, but we are just over the moon with continuing this on for Ruth. So I just cannot be happier about it. All right, guys, I will. I don't know what else to say. Right? Just super excited about it, and just look forward to moving forward with her and just growing Niles. All right, guys. we'll see you next week. Got a Christmas project coming up next week, so super excited about that. All right, take care.